Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions for all competitive examinations, which will be very useful. That is part 42. Please check my playlist where you will find up to part 41, which are very useful for all SSC as well as defense examinations, which are very useful for each and every exams. Initially we have the National Film Archives of India. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the National Film Archives of India is located in which place? That is located in Pune. The Red Cross Society was established in which year? That was established in the year 1920. This is concerning to the help during the time of emergency. Medical aid will be given by this Red Cross Society by donating the blood as well as any kind of activities. The characteristics is absent in a computer, however sophisticated it may be, intelligence. We knew that whatever the activities it has been given to the computer, that is done in the computer. There is no intelligence in that. It cannot take any kind of decision without giving our input to that. So intelligence is lacking in that. What exactly it is lacking? That is intelligence is lacking in the computer software. The most widely used commercial programming computer language. This is one thing you have to remember. Basic, Pascal, Fortran and COBOL. These are the widely commercial programming languages which are used in computers. Next we have Sahyadri. This is one thing. Sahyadri, it's a traditional name of the Western Ghats. So please remember, what are these? Sahyadri is a traditional name of the Western Ghats. The slogan we knew that do or die, which was given by Mahatma Gandhi. It has given during the time of Quit India movement, which was happened in 1942. The slogan of Mahatma Gandhi is do or die, one of the finest, and his weapons are truth and non-violence. The black hole in the outer space is due to gravitational attraction. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the figure has been given. This is one black hole in the outer space. Once the black hole is formed, whatever the asteroids, planets, whatever the stars it is near surrounded by that black hole will be sucked by that black hole. That is due to the gravitational attraction of the black hole. The Indian Independence League was set up by Rash Bihari Bose. Please remember guys, the Independence League, whatever has been set up by Rash Bihari Bose. These are the few questions which have been asked in previous year examination papers. Don't delay them. Next we have the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. This is an award given for the outstanding contribution to science. This award is one thing, the contribution towards science, that is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Earlier navigators used to find their directions in the high seas with the help of star constellations. The group of stars used for the purpose in the southern hemisphere is Orion. Please remember, he had given the region is southern hemisphere. With the Orion, as you can see to the right side, how exactly Orion looks like. Sirius, Orion, these are various stars. With the help of Orion only, they used to draw the maps and they used to locate their position and they used to travel around the world without any kind of advanced material. So they used to have the compass and they used to take the guidelines from the Orion in the southern hemisphere. The mosquito served as the carrier of malaria. That is Roland Ross was the one who had found the mosquito, whatever the malarial mosquito, that is cured by this scientist Ronald Ross. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 1000+ question papers for various examinations. It has been segregated like this. You can directly have a look in the playlist. The ancient India legends. Surabhi was a medicine prepared by Dhanvantri. We knew that Dhanvantri was a great medicist and he had prepared the medicine, that is Surabhi. So he was the guy who had prepared this Surabhi medicine, which is one of the ancient Indian legends who had prepared this medicine for various illness. The fertility of the soil can be increased by growing legumes. Please remember, if you want to improve the fertility of the soil, that can be achieved with the help of natural, that is multiple process of cultivation, that you have to rotate the crop rotation, you have to make legumes over there, so that legumes will help you in increasing the richness of the soil, and you have to avoid the artificial whatever we have, that has to be avoided. What artificial fertilizers have to be avoided, natural has to be used. The coagulation of blood in vessels is prevented during normal circulation by heparin. We knew that the heparin chemical is present in the blood, that is the reason our blood will not get clot. So which is one type of anticoagulant present in our body, that is heparin. Next we have Ashoka sent missionaries to Tibet as well as Ceylon. Tibet, we knew that it is in the north, Ceylon it is in the south, that is Sri Lanka. Ashoka had been sent he has sent to these places. The dynasty that King Bhoja, a great patron of literature and art, belonged to Gurjara Pratihara. As you can see to the right side how exactly they were ruled in the northern India. So the dynasty King Bhoja, he belongs to the Gurjara Pratihara empire. The focal length of the lens of the eye is under the control of ciliary body. We should remember, whatever the ciliary muscles we have in our eye, that is the one which adjusts your eye, and the focal length is also depend on the ciliary muscles only. The manufacture of hydrogen bomb involves the principle of the uncontrolled chain reaction. It is not chain, it is chain reaction involving nuclear fusion. So remember guys, nuclear fusion in which uncontrolled process happens in the hydrogen bomb as well as sun. In the sun also the same process will happen, but in the case of atomic bomb we have the nuclear fission. Natural rubber, it is a polymer of isoprene. Please remember guys, whatever the natural rubber we have, it is a polymer of isoprene. The silicon carbide is used for cutting very hard substances. This is one thing you have to remember. We use the diamond to cut the hardest substances. Even glass can be cut by the diamond. Here the silicon carbide is used for the cutting very hard substances. The basic reason for the extraordinary sparkle of a suitability of cut diamond is high refractive index. This is one thing you have to cut the diamond with the help of diamond only. You cannot cut with other than the diamond cannot be cut, and the diamond can be used in various purposes. As you can see, due to this high refractive indexes, the extraordinary sparkle you will find in the diamond. The radio waves from the antenna travel with almost the velocity of the light. We knew that whatever the waves which are emitted from the antenna, those radio waves they travel with the same speed of the velocity of the light, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. The sun rays falling on a thin film of oil spread over a water surface breaks into different colors. This is due to the interference. We knew that whatever the bubbles we have, once the light ray pass on it, automatically there will be different colors. That is because of the interference of the light. The glands controls the development of sex organs in the humans is pituitary gland, which is located in the head. As you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like batani or piece shaped. So in the male and female you can directly go through how exactly it looks like. In the female you will find this all thing. So this is one thing, pituitary gland, this is master of all gland. You will find pineal gland as well. You will find the thymus in the children only, not in the adults. Thymus automatically gets vanished. Thyroid gland, as you can see it in the shape of butterfly. Pancreas, which secretes insulin, adrenal glands, which are just over the kidneys. Testes, you can see for the male only, not for the female, but you will find in the ovary for the female. The sum of biochemical reactions involved in the release of and utilization of energy within the organism is called anabolism. Please remember what exactly anabolism is. The sum total of biochemical reactions involved in the release and utilization of energy within the organism is known as anabolism. Next we have the energy in the body is produced through the stepwise breakup of glucose with the help of enzymes. This is one thing you have to remember. The energy in the body is produced through the stepwise breakup of glucose with the help of enzymes. The presence of the salts in water causes corrosion in steam boilers. Magnesium chloride. Please remember guys, the presence of salts in water causes corrosion in steam boilers. By using the salt water in the boilers, automatically it gets corroded due to the presence of magnesium chloride in that. The putrefaction of animal remains is brought about by the action of bacteria. We knew that. To the right side you can see how exactly the putrefaction takes place. This putrefaction takes place. This putrefaction of animal remains is brought about by the action of bacteria only. So these bacteria will make more putrefaction of animals or any kind of food materials. The coloring matter in the process of bleaching of textiles by the use of bleaching powder gets oxidized. This is one thing, whatever the coloring matter in the process of bleaching of textiles by the use of bleaching powder gets oxidized. This is my mobile number guys, 7666730252. If you have any queries, you can call me on this mobile number. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, feel free to call or message me by WhatsApp. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.